Hey, what's going on? I'm Joe Hypes. I'm auditioning for the commercial. Um, Essentially, I guess get to know me. I really enjoy comedy. I enjoy making people laugh. I'm going to include my resume, my headshot, and then sort of a link to some sort of... Sorry. That was a little bit embarrassing. I'm not entirely sure why I'm so... Well, just to say, I'm going to include a headshot, a resume, and... headshot, resume, and a link to a YouTube that has a sort of like other acting things that I have done for a while. And ribbit. I actually just meaning to talk to you. I'm not trying to do the burping just yet, but wow. Well, I guess might as well showcase some of that as well. Ribbit. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, look, that's it. I promise. I mean, that's all that I can really deliver. Ribbit. And, so things like that. If you need to see anything else, let me know. I'm really excited. Get back to me. So this is me, Joe Hypes, submitting for the commercial. Bye.